Good day. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, have a good day. My name is Jalimi J. Constantino, 31 years of age, from Cauayan City, Isabela, Philippines. I graduated at Philippine Normal University, Isabela campus with the degree Bachelor of Secondary Education. I am also a proud mom and wife with 3 sons, ages 10, 4, and 1. And I'm also the youngest of my 3 siblings.
Okay, can you tell me about your work experience?
I am a passionate and dedicated teacher here in the Philippines with over 9 years in experiences. 1 year in elementary education, which I handled kindergarten, grade 4 and grade 5 pupils. I taught the subjects in kindergarten with all their subjects in curriculum. And also in the grade 4 and grade 5, I also taught the subjects physical education, mathematics, science, and also in junior high school, which over 8 years experiences. I handled grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, and grade 10 students, which I handled MAPE, which means music, arts, physical education, and health. And then I handled also the subjects journalism that focuses the students how to write the current events and news. And also I taught education sa pagpapakatao, which means about the focus in this subject are the right conduct of the good moral and right conduct of the students. And also I taught English and Filipino subjects with those curriculum that grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, and grade 10. Alongside with my teaching experiences, I have also the experiences in 1 year marketing assistant and then 1 year in pharmacy assistance.
Okay, thank you. Any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I hope you choose and hire me because I have the strong education background and service-oriented, hardworking, easily to adapt any work, administrative support, and I am committed to deliver excellent performance in your good institution. Thank you.
Thank you.